Hello CIS scholar, I am Anjali Sinha, Social Studies Educator from Countryside International School. Today I am going to discuss with you two topics. One is latitude and second topic is your longitude. So I am going to use this globe to make you this concept very easy for you. Here just see, this one is the equator, this white line. Just see this white line, this one is the equator. And here this pole, this one is the northern pole and this one is our southern pole. That means this equator is playing a very vital role for dividing the earth into two equal halves. That means this one is our northern hemisphere and this one is our southern hemisphere. Now we will discuss this topic in detail with the help of this diagram. Just see here, we are having this equator that I have told you that it divides the earth into two equal halves. And this latitude is basically an imaginary line. Fine, we can't touch and these lines are nowhere on our earth. And second topic that we are going to discuss about this prime meridian. Fine, first topic is our latitude, second topic is our longitude. How can we will remember this thing for our whole life? Just remember this thing. When we are simply talking about the latitude, we are having two terms. Like latitude, that is horizontal line, that simply that we are using. And when we are talking about the longitude, that means the vertical line. When we are talking about the latitude, the word itself sound latitude, that means leta hua. Fine. And when we are talking about the longitude, that means the word itself sound as a longitude. It's long. Someone is growing like this way, not this way. So longitude and latitude. So you will remember this concept from this. Now we are having some imaginary line in our latitudes. So here we are discussing about first line, that is Arctic Circle, that is in the northern hemisphere. It is 66 degree and a half in the northern hemisphere. Second important line is Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 degree and a half in the northern hemisphere. After that we are having very important line, that is the equator, that divide the earth into two equal half. Fine. After that we are having Tropic of Capricorn, that is in 23 degree half in the southern hemisphere. Then we are having Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23 degree and a half in the southern hemisphere. After that we are having Antarctic Circle, that is 66 degree and a half in the southern hemisphere. That means this equator is very important line that divide the earth into two equal half. That means here we are having total 90 latitude and in the southern hemisphere we are having total 90 latitude lines. So when we are going to calculate, that means 90 plus 90, we are having 180 latitude. But when we are considering this equator as a 1, that means total we are having 181 latitudes. That means these all are the imaginary line. These lines are nowhere on our earth. For our convenience, these lines are drawn. So that's why these lines are called as an imaginary line. Now we are coming to our next topic, that is longitude. I have already told you the word sound longitude. That means long, longitude. Fine. Again we are having one important imaginary line, that is the prime meridian. Again we have considered this point as a 0 degree and this is called as a prime meridian, that is passes from the Greenwich in the London. So here again when we are moving toward this 0 degree to 180 degree, that means the area between the surface of the earth 0 degree till 180 degree. Fine. Again the area that is between the 0 degree till 180 degree east. That means total we are having 360 longitude lines. That means total we are having 360 longitude lines. Again this prime meridian they divide the earth into two equal halves. One is your western hemisphere and second one is your eastern hemisphere. So these lines are very important for us. Now, just see in this globe, we are having these equators, then we are having the latitudes, and then we are having the longitude. That means from this globe we are finding some squares are there on this globe. Now let me to clear you, when this latitude and the longitude, they are intersect with each other, they are making some channelage. Just see these channels, means they are making some networks. Some networks. These networks are very useful for identify the exact location of a place in the whole world. So these types of networking is everywhere on the globe. So this type of networking, the line of the network, that are very useful for forming the grid, and this is called as a grid. When this type of interaction between the latitude and the longitude, they are forming the grid, and this grid is very useful for identify the location of any place. So this one is the one thing, and from this latitude and the longitude we can learn more things about the earth, regarding the time, regarding the date, that we will do it again. Fine. So hope so you have understood this small concept. Next time again we are going to meet you, and I promise you I will come with some another interesting topic for you. Till then, bye. Take care.